Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make chocolate ice cream. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. So we have to take our blender and put inside parts of the frozen bananas. It's best to divide them into smaller pieces before freezing. I will add some raisins, although it's not necessary. However, it will make our ice creams even tastier. Now we blend everything together. Now we add some cocoa. And we mix everything up again. Well, our ice creams are almost ready. Now we have to put them into a bowl. They are perfect for cooling down in hot, sunny days, but also for everyday healthy desserts. Our ice creams can be decorated. I will use chocolate. The link how to make it will be of course in the description below. With a peeler you can achieve chocolate shavings. Our ice creams are ready to eat. Bon appetit!